I'm gonna like, okay, 5-point deal, and Take 2.
So basically, we're doing a Blazer update, I guess.
Yeah,
Do you guys want to see that? I don't know if you want to see that or not.
they definitely do.
Okay, see what we got here.
Let's start at the front. Tell them what we're doing.
So, we're not doing anything. We're just talking about it. Lift kit.
Big lift.
Got a 6-inch lift kit on there.
Yep.
4-inch rough country leaf springs, and then the drop mount on there.
Droppies.
Yeah, and then got fresh U-bolts, as you can see down there. And then moving all the way down, we got that high build primer on both of them. Mine's already had some block sanding.
Mine has too.
Well, yeah, I'm just saying mine was before his.
Yeah.
But got that, so we're gonna hit that. Okay, see what else we got. Found a bad high spot here. Trying to get that fixed. And then, oh!
What was that, bud?
Well, you know.
Oh my, that was something else.
You can see that bracket. Are you showing on the bracket?
Yeah, they can see the bracket.
We custom made that bracket.
Custom fabrication.
Bad, though. Yeah, we
big
got same whatchamacallits down on there. And then, oh, you want to show them this?
Yeah, let's get. Oh,
Good side.
oh my.
Oh, I didn't even hit you.
You did.
We got this taken out. Dealy deal, dashboard, panel.
Dealio.
Dealy who? Yo! So you gotta come on in.
Move out of the way. Wow.
I've basically been, oh wow, that actually hit it. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh.
We've been sanding this, trying to get it flat, because we're gonna do bed liner. So I've been putting Bondo on, and
If anybody cares, I'm doing bed liner too.
Yeah.
He thinks I should do carpet, which is a terrible idea.
I just like carpet, but basically just sand, I guess. I don't know. I mean, and then gonna do a little more up there, and then we'll be ready for Bondo. So history of the red truck.
Pretty slick.
Look at that stud muffin there. Didn't that thing look so cool with boggers on it?
Oh, there he is. Yeah, it did look pretty cool. Looked very cool, actually. Mine looked cool with boggers, but then I sold them.
It's not road down.
Well, they're also dry rotted all to,
Hell.
Oh! Dude, we're gonna get...
It's a place, not a cuss word.
Wow. Yeah. Look at these,
Shut up!
Look at these, I gotta show them here. Let's just... So this is gonna be me. In my truck. And I'm gonna have these racing seats. Okay, hold on. And
Other one back.
this is gonna be me right here. I'm gonna have my racing. Ah! Ooh. Ooh. Right there is giving me problems. Hurt somebody. Okay. It's gonna be me. I'm gonna go like. Okay. 5-point deal. And
We driving a semi.
18 speed. But see, it's got these sidewalls, so when I'm drifting around corners, I don't fall out. See? It's pretty slick. And if I want to put my magazine or something, I got me a little pocket. Those are the ones Cody's using. They're a big old truck.
Big grandpiece.
Yeah, he's pretty much putting a couch in his truck.
Yeah, they're. Have you sat in them yet?
No.
Pull it out and sit in it. Just.
Oh yeah.
It's like, hey.
My sidewall will catch me. It sits up about to the side.
Yeah.
There's a lot of sidewallage there.
Mine is a good amount more comfortable than yours, though.
Oh yeah.
Seats out of an '02 Chevy, and then that seats out of a Pontiac G6 car.
Yeah, Pontiac race car. Well,
Debatable.
Is that everything we got to show? Did you tell them everything about your Blazer?
I guess. Trying to think. Oh, hey, do you notice the back? How it's dropped? Something's wrong with it. The body's like twisted.
Well, good.
So we have to fix that. But
Carolina squatted.
no.
That
Not
looks
that.
so terrible.
Yeah, I know.
Well, that's Cody's Blazer.
Yep.
Did a little update so you know what's going on. You're gonna see the video on mine. Probably before this, I did a little block sanding. Actually, I'm gonna do some more tomorrow, so you'll probably see it after that. But yeah, Cody, you want to end the video?
Oh, missed it. Oh.